We're on the campus of San Diego City College today for an event geared towards veterans and other military students. The school wants to make sure they're getting all the financial aid and scholarships available to them in addition to their benefits.
The biggest component our veterans face is the financial aid is going to take their income from 2 years ago when they were active duty. They're no longer active duty and no longer getting that income. So when they receive a denial, they just give up on financial aid. They don't realize they can meet with the financial aid technician so they could reassess their current income. As we get closer to finals, they're juggling two things. They're studying, they're finishing their finals, and enrolling for the next term. So we want to simplify that. We do enrollment workshops where we have all the students who have priority enrollment come in, sit with the counselor to help them select the classes. Our VA work study students help them enroll. We do their sign-up so that they can get certified for their benefits. We also do events, mental health awareness, suicide prevention workshops. We provide events for addressing basic needs. You know, our veterans are sometimes coming between class and work and do not get a chance to get something to eat. So now we have the center where they could grab a soda, a juice, a snack. In the morning, they can also have a breakfast sandwich. And it's all intentional because we understand the students are on a go, go, go. You know, San Diego is very expensive. We have gas cards we provide them, book supplies that we provide them. All of the stuff is provided through special funding that the state of California gives us.
Coming up a little later in the show, we'll hear from two of the students taking advantage of the resources available to veterans here on the San Diego City College campus.